This is a standard size carry-on bag. I can take this on the plane. Let me show you what's all inside of this thing. Now, it's a raggedy suitcase. So first of all, I'm on vacation. I don't need all them pairs of Jordans. Just give me my flip-flops, which I have two pair of shoes, flip-flops off in there. Real cheap. And as far as shoes, no Jordans. These are almost like sandals to me. Very, very cheap off of Temu or Shein or whatever little place you can get online. All of my underwear. That's a fit. Look at that. That's outfit number 2. That's a fit. Outfit number 3. I was on the Virgin Cruise Line. That's a fit. On Virgin again. This is all summertime Caribbean type clothing that I wear. I don't like wearing all those jeans and everything. So where am I at? 5, 6? That's 6 days. That's 6 different. But that was just a shirt that came with it. I only bought 1 pair of pants. Just one. But 1 pair of swim trunks. Here's another outfit. Remember, I was on the Virgin Cruise Line and their theme is red. So where am I at? I'm at like 7, 8 outfits already. Got this shirt. It's these shirts that I brought. 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. All of which match the pants. Like I said, I was on Virgin. So I was down with the shit. That's another outfit. This right here, it gets cold. Before I get to that, this is the outfit that goes with this here. I like to dress like I'm on vacation when I go on vacation. I don't like to have all these blue jeans and things on. Now this right here is actually, it gets cold in those ships. So I had to get me something. This is it's like a jogging suit or whatever, but it's still thin. I like to wear that when I'm in the casino or inside the ship sometimes. Here's another Caribbean color outfit that, like I said, I was on Virgin, so I was with the shit. And here's another outfit. That right there was way too many clothes for 5 days. And I was able to do everything that I need with a carry-on size bag. And I had extra room. And keep in mind, I had all of my, in a large Ziploc bag, all my toiletries stuff, or, cologne, lotion, beard stuff, all of that fit into this carry-on bag. So you can easily go on a trip for a week and have plenty of room. And I need it. So y'all don't need to have all those bags when you go out on a cruise, unless you're going to somewhere like Alaska. Even with Alaska, the clothing is thicker and bigger. I just went up the next size above this right here. So yeah, it's easy to pack, very light when you're going on a Caribbean cruise.